Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use the 1010 app. So let's get into the video. So first thing, install the app from your Play Store or your Apple Store. So just install it. Once you have installed the app, so now you're going to open up the app. So basically, if you don't know, 1010 app is simply a live walkie-talkie app. So it makes your phone as a walkie-talkie, so you can connect with your friends anywhere and anytime. So that's basically it is. So click on let's go and then you need an account to sign in. So you can simply sign in with your Google account. That's fine. So you can just sign in, and then let me sign into mine. So once you have signed into your account, so once you've logged in, you just need to do this basic setup stuff like your profile pic details and all those like basic stuff. So get that done and set it up. So once you have set it up, so you'll get to this screen here. So now all you have to do is simply add friends, like whom you want to connect to. So you just need to hit on it and then add the person. So you can just ask your friend for their PIN number and then just type that PIN number and then hit on the next arrow. So in that way you'll be able to add it. The same thing with you, they can add you as well. That's your PIN number here on your top right, and they can add you. Once you people have added, then you can simply start talking to each other as like in a walkie-talkie, and that's the whole point or use of this 1010 app. It's pretty handy. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.